Hi, today I'd like to show you how ByteNet works through a practical example of a video processing carried out with our demo platform. We'll distribute a video transcoding job over a grid of smartphones and tablets ready to compute, and we'll see what happens. Stay with us till the end of the video to find it out. First of all, we prepared a testbed with 10 Android devices connected to the internet both through Wi-Fi and mobile networks. We have different models of different manufacturers, mainly Samsung and Xiaomi, but also Oppo, Vivo and Motorola. We then click start on each device and see they begin listening to the central server. At the moment there's no task in the queue as we still have to launch the job. We'll use this 1-hour video in 4K which weighs 8.23 GB with the aim to resize it to standard dimension and transcode it to H.264 AAC. Once geared up, we go to the demo platform, create a new job, paste the bucket URL where the file is located, choose the container, codecs, bitrate and resolution. And hit run. The job is correctly received by the partitioner, which is starting to ingest the 8 GB file and partition it on the fly. As soon as a chunk is produced, it is sent to the device queues. Look, they're starting to receive the first chunks. Let me now speed things up a bit. Okay, it looks like almost all chunks have been processed, just 2 left. We can see that 245 slices of the original video were produced, and these 10 devices work at the rate of 40 seconds per chunk on average. That's it, it's done! Wow, it took 10 minutes and 21 seconds to process 1-hour video with 10 devices. That's amazing! Let me go here and download the file to check that everything's on track. Okay, it looks like a pretty 400MP transcoded video. Now, this is what we've delivered with 10 devices. Can you imagine with 20? Actually, we did that for you, and I'll directly show you the results. Starting from a job with 5 devices that lasted 17 minutes, we go down to 10 minutes with 10 devices in the experiment we've seen today, and this figure drops further to 6 minutes with 20 devices, which is fairly low for an on-demand transcoding service. From here it's just a bunch of minutes more in the case of transcoding to HD, but the pattern is still the same. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it helped you understand what is under development at ByteNet and its potential. In case you missed it, check out the official presentation on our YouTube channel and like it or leave a comment. Thanks for watching, bye!